As you all can see, it's raining. And there are ices all away from the sky dropping down. It's really raining out here, and there are ices all over the place. I don't know if you have been seeing these. Have you been seeing them? Yeah. So many of them. Yeah. Are you see them? There are bigger ones up dropping down. Yeah. What is this? Many of you haven't seen this before? Yeah. So many ices dropping down, yeah. Can you see them? God is so wonderful, you know. God is so wonderful, you know. God is so wonderful. Wow. Wow. It's been decades. I said, wow, it's been decades. It's been so long. Yeah, as you can see, so many of them. So many of them. You know? I'm so wonderful, you know? There are many houses down here. Government system, as you can see. Yeah. So many of them is coming down here. Yeah. Let me go and take down my car lamp, you know? As you can see, there are so many of them, yeah. Walking down here. Can you see them? Yeah. Yeah, they're standing. That is so wonderful. It's icy day. It's an icy water drop day, you know? It is so beautiful, so wonderful. God is so good. So good, so good. Wow. That is so beautiful. My God. And the amazing part is that you wouldn't know where these are coming from, but they just keep falling down. Yeah. As you can see. These are so many of them out here. Yeah. But as you can see here, they are birds as well. Yeah. Many of them dropping down. Dropping. God is so wonderful, you know? God is so wonderful. So wonderful. God is so wonderful. God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. God is really good. I mean, it's been decades. This thing happened when I was a very little boy, you know? In those days, we could even see fishes coming out of it. These are bigger ones, you know. Yeah. At these days, I don't know about these things don't really happen, you know. They don't really happen. So this is amazing. And a lot of people out here are not going to see or believe this, but this is really happening. Yeah. As you can see, the kids are also bathing in them. They are enjoying the water. That is so good. Yeah. Hey, keep quiet. Yes. The kids are saying it is really snow. It isn't snow, you know. As you can see them, they are enjoying. You know? he's asking the brother, can you eat it? The brother is telling me, yeah, you can eat it. It's so beautiful and so wonderful. God is so good. God is so good. So good. You are so good. God, you are so good. You are wonderful. I'm fasting today. I would have taken one and then tasted it and then know how this feels. You know? But I'm fasting, so I can enjoy this. If I'm to take it inside, at the time I break it, it will have melt long time ago. I don't know if you people can see this. That is so wonderful, you know. These things don't really happen back. It's amazing. Very, very amazing. Yeah? There you go. There you go. There you go. Comes all the way down to the sky and then it goes. So this is so wonderful. I don't know if you can see them. There are still drops coming down. Yeah? Can you see that? Yeah. This is God showing how wonderful it is. It is a snowy year. And we are all witnessing it. Snowy year. Snowy year in Africa, West Africa, Ghana. In Kumasi, Ashanti region, Kumasi, Coabere. You know? There are so many drops coming down for it. Yeah. Wow. It's so beautiful, you know. So wonderful. These things don't really happen down here in Africa. Ghana per se and then Ashanti region, Kumasi, Coabere, East. So this is amazing. This is something that we are really enjoying. Thank God the Most High for bringing down things like this, you know. Don't really happen down here. This is new to a lot of kids. I'm fortunate. I grew to witness some when I was very young. Yeah, very, very young. Those times it's even bigger than these ones. Yeah. Wow. But I say, wow, that is so wonderful. So beautiful. So great. God is the greatest. Allahu Akbar. As the Arabian says. He is, and He is the only greatest. There is none other deity except Him. Yeah? Okay, so we are going to cross out here now and then. You all can enjoy the water, you know? So beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. God is there all the time and then all the time. God is there. Wow, this is the last one God is taking to. So let's go back. Yeah, appreciate you all. Today is your first time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Yeah, thank you and then bye-bye to you all. Thanks to each and every one of you watching this video. I really appreciate the love. Now with you people, you can still help me with the top. You can help me get the subscribers so I'm pleading and urging each one of you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button now. I really appreciate you all. Thanks for your time. Thanks for enjoying this wonderful moment with me. May God bless you. Whatever you lack, may God replace it in abundance. Whatever you have, may God multiply it. Then grant them in multiples to you. I really appreciate you all. Thanks for watching this video. May God see us all through life. Down here on earth and in the hereafter. Thank you all. Bye bye. See y'all next time.